we will finish this dang mirror. I'm really excited. So now to the second portion of this shop video thingy is actually finishing up. So second portion of this is actually finishing up.
Enchanté.
Welcome back. It's been a while actually, so let's get to it. Let's be Bina and let's do Bina. Let's do this good stuff. So wasn't that a crazy journey? Thanks for joining me. Thanks for just sticking around, watching. It means a lot. If you did. I guess I'm speaking to myself. I'm really happy how this project really turned out. Ended up being a fail at first, but was definitely not gonna let this project defeat me. Stay tuned to the next couple videos to where I actually continue this corner. And until next time, be Bina.